What's up, y'all? It is a beautiful, crispy, cool Appalachian morning here in Salem, Virginia. And I want to take you guys through just a few minutes of what a day at the Tri State MX Arenacross series looks like for me. This is Saturday. I was here about 12 hours yesterday, 13 hours. Got back to the hotel about 10 o'clock, went to sleep. Woke up this morning, grabbed some coffee, and now we're headed back in the Salem Civic Center. I got a lot of stuff going on. When I come to one of these guys, I work the AOMC booth and film and live stream the race. So I just want to take you guys through a little bit of that today so you got an idea of what goes on. Morning. All right, guys, so this first little annex area out here, this is where all the vendors are set up. We got 5-Star Power Sports, Defiance Lifestyle, Amsoil, and then this is my booth. Didn't quite have enough room for my canopy because of this hallway, but didn't really need it anyway. We got the gas. We got the booth here showing off our new amp wheels. And basically, we are here to get people to join our mailing list so they can stay up to date on what AOMC has going on. And the way we're doing that now is with this tablet kiosk over here. So I got it charging right now, but I'm about to set it out there on the floor, and they can simply sign in on the tablet. Tablet stays up just like this, and they can put in their name, email, phone number, and favorite bike brand, and just hit add me, and they're entered in the mailing list and entered to win. And I draw a winner towards the end of the night, and they can choose. I had a couple backpacks over here last night, and Caleb won last night. He chose the OGO camo backpack. The winner today will choose between this backpack, the goggles, or the boot wash stand. So pretty cool. So I'm kind of bouncing back and forth, trying to, make sure nobody runs off with any of this stuff, and make sure everybody knows what's going on with the tablet. And then I'll show you what else I got going on. You can see the 5-Star guys have a heck of a setup over here. They brought all kinds of bikes. That's their big hauler outside. Bunch of different brands. Here's a 350 EXC. Here's the new Honda Navi, 1800 bucks, gets 56 miles per gallon, 109 cc, pretty cool. All right, let's go get this live stream started. Hopefully this door's still unlocked. All right, it's my special entrance. Up these stairs. All right, guys, here's my live stream setup. So basically, races are going on. When the main events happen, I'll record them in high quality here, and I'll get some rider focus videos. Over here, I have a live stream on the RTI Power Sports YouTube channel, and a live stream without audio on the MX Guru channel. We'll get these fired up now. All right, guys, so small bike heat races are going on right now. I've been doing rider focus videos in the heats where I focus on a specific rider and just watch only him the entire race, and the kids really like it. It's just a memory they can keep on YouTube there forever. And also, this is what it looks like from the cockpit of the live stream. YouTube on the RTI Power Sports channel here, and over here we're on the MX Guru YouTube channel with no audio, so we can keep it monetized. So any of you guys want to just throw this up in your living room or in your shop or whatever and let it play is definitely appreciated. But yeah, so I'll spend a lot of my day running back and forth down these stairs, through these doors, because the booth is over there behind that wall, and I'll be back and forth trying to trying to keep an eye on that booth and this camera equipment. So it's fun stuff. I really would like to be able to get down to the gate more or trackside more and get some other shots, but it's just really tough to do another job on top of all this as well.